Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your earbuds XIAOMI OpenWear. By default, to call a Siri, you need to press and hold at the touch areas on your left or right earbud. Touch area is located at the back side, right here where we have XIAOMI. So you need to only press and hold. Yeah, and as you can see, Siri is awake. Now, if we open the application and go to the gestures, right here you can see that it's set to press and hold, and we can set it for another gesture. So right here in the single press we have no information here. Also with the double press and triple press, no information to call voice assistant. Only for the press and hold, and for the press and hold you can disable it. You can switch to the noise control, and as you can see, that's the only way. You cannot customize it in another way. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!